Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the menopause MCQs. Let's start with the first question. What is the main cause of osteoporosis in postmenopausal women? Correct answer is B. Decreased estrogen levels. Estrogen play a key role in bone density, maintains and its decline leads to increased bone loss. Next question. What is a common change in the skin during menopause? Correct answer is C. Dryness and thinning. Reduced estrogen levels lead to loss of collagen, causing skin dryness, thinning, and wrinkles. Next question. Which of the following is a common emotional symptom of menopause? Correct answer is B. Depression and anxiety. Hormonal changes can affect mood, leading to depression, irritability, and anxiety. Next question. How does menopause affect body weight? Correct answer is C. Increases fat accumulation, especially in the abdomen. Metabolism slows down after menopause, leading to fat accumulation, especially around the abdomen. Next question. What is the effect of menopause on the urinary system? Correct answer is B. Increased risk of urinary tract infection UTIs. Estrogen loss weakens the urinary tract, increasing susceptibility to infections and incontinence. Next question. What is the primary goal of menopause management? Correct answer is B. To relieve symptoms and prevent complications. Management focuses on reducing symptoms, hot flashes, mood swings, bone loss, and preventing complications. Next question. Which of the following can help relieve vaginal dryness in menopausal women? Correct answer is C. Vaginal estrogen therapy. Vaginal estrogen therapy helps restore moisture and elasticity in the vaginal tissues. Next question. What is the primary function of phytoestrogens in menopause management? Correct answer is B. Act as natural estrogen substitutes. Phytoestrogens found in soy, flaxseed mimic estrogen and can help relieve mild menopausal symptoms. Next question. Which factor can delay the onset of menopause? Correct answer is B. Regular physical activity. A healthy lifestyle with regular exercise and a balanced diet can support hormonal balance and delay menopause. Next question. What is a key risk factor for early menopause? Correct answer is B. Smoking. Smoking accelerates ovarian aging, leading to early menopause. Next question. What type of diet is beneficial for managing menopause symptoms? Correct answer is B. High in phytoestrogens, calcium and vitamin D. A diet rich in these nutrients helps maintain bone health and manage hormonal changes. Next question. Which of the following is not a complication of menopause? Correct answer is C. Increased fertility. Fertility declines as menopause approaches and stop after menopause. Next question. Which sleep disorder is common during menopause? Correct answer is A. Insomnia. Hormonal fluctuations can disrupt sleep patterns causing insomnia. Next question. What is the role of exercise in menopause? Correct answer is A. Increases bone density and reduces weight gain. Exercise strengthens bones, improves metabolism and reduces menopause-related weight gain. Next question. What is the impact of menopause on sexual health? Correct answer is C. Vaginal dryness and decreased libido. Estrogen decline can lead to vaginal dryness and reduced sexual desire. Next question. What is the best non-hormonal way to manage hot flashes? Correct answer is B. Avoiding spicy foods, caffeine and alcohol. These substances can trigger or worsen hot flashes, so avoiding them helps manage symptoms. Next question. How does stress affect menopause symptoms? Correct answer is C. Worsens symptoms like mood swings and insomnia. High stress levels can intensify menopause symptoms, especially mood swings and sleep disturbances. Next question. Why is postmenopausal hormone replacement therapy HRT not recommended for all women? Correct answer is B. It increases the risk of blood clots, stroke and breast cancer. While HRT helps relieve symptoms, it also carries risks, so it is prescribed cautiously. Next question. Which screening test is recommended for postmenopausal women to detect osteoporosis? Correct answer is C. DEXA scan. A DEXA scan measures bone density and helps diagnose osteoporosis, which is common after menopause. Next question. What is perimenopause? Correct answer is B. The time before menopause when hormonal changes begin. Perimenopause is the transitional phase leading up to menopause marked by hormonal fluctuations. Next question. How long does perimenopause usually last? Correct answer is C. 4 to 8 years. Perimenopause can last several years before menopause, with symptoms gradually worsening. Next question. What is the most common symptom of perimenopause? Correct answer is B. Irregular menstrual cycles. During perimenopause, estrogen and progesterone level fluctuate, causing irregular periods. Next question. What hormonal change triggers perimenopause? Correct answer is B. Decrease in estrogen and progesterone. As the ovaries gradually reduce hormone production, perimenopause begins. Next question. Which symptom is more common in perimenopause than postmenopause? Correct answer is C. Irregular periods. In perimenopause, menstrual cycles become irregular, while in postmenopause, periods stop completely. Next question. When is a woman considered postmenopausal? Correct answer is C. After 12 consecutive months without a menstrual period, a woman is considered postmenopausal when she has not had a period for 12 months. Next question. Which condition is more likely to develop in postmenopausal women? Correct answer is B. Osteoporosis. Decline estrogen levels after menopause lead to reduced bone density and increased fracture risk. Next question. What is the best way to prevent osteoporosis after menopause? Correct answer is B. Weight bearing exercises and calcium supplements. These help maintain bone strength and prevent fractures in postmenopausal women. Next question. Which of the following can worsen perimenopausal symptoms? Correct answer is B. Smoking and alcohol. Smoking and alcohol can increase hot flashes, disrupt sleep, and accelerate hormone decline. Next question. What is the effect of menopause on the cardiovascular system? Correct answer is B. Increased risk of heart disease. Estrogen helps protect the heart. Its decline after menopause raises the risk of heart disease. Next question. What causes vaginal dryness after menopause? Correct answer is B. Decreased estrogen. Estrogen helps maintain vaginal moisture and its decline causes dryness and discomfort. Next question. Which of these lifestyle changes can help manage postmenopause symptoms? Correct answer is C. Staying active and maintaining a balanced diet. A healthy lifestyle helps manage symptoms and prevent health complications.